let's try out this food I go for 8,400 naira, and their location is just beside House on the Rock Church of Lekki Expressway, Ikate. This is what I got. Hold on. This is what I got for 8,400, and I'm gonna test to give reviews of how this tastes. This is like an extra chicken for 3,000. I got fried rice. Jollof rice. Okay, so let's try fried rice because I've already tried their jollof rice. So I'll give them 6/10. So I've never tried the jollof. Not bad. So the jollof rice. Let's try this one. It looks dried up, but not bad. 5/10. 5, which is fair, right? Gosh, extra chicken that goes for 3,000. It's quite little. Let's see. 8/10.